Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to use eBay promotions. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to the selling section at the bottom side of your screen, and then see all your listings and open active section. So here you need to find the item you wish to promote and click on the three dots. Usually it looks like three dots icon, and from the options choose promote. You will see different options like order discounts and, for example, sale events. So simply pick up the one that fits your strategy and select the listings you want to include in the promotion. You can choose specific items or entire categories. So then set the discount amount like 10% off or 20% off, whatever you think will grab attention of buyers. Then choose the start and end dates for your promotion. So you can run your promotion for a few days or even longer if you want to boost visibility over time. Double check all the details of your promotion and then tap launch button to make your promotion live. And then you can monitor the performance of your promotions inside the here active section that we have opened now, and make some changes to them if it's needed. So that's how you can use eBay promotions. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.